Zone recognition processing in Dokmee Capture is used for automatic data extraction from documents from streamlined indexing. To create recognition templates, click on Batch Profile button from the home screen. Select the batch profile that you would like to add a zone recognition template to. Then click Edit and the Batch Profile options window will appear. Go to the Zone Recognition tab. Select Use Barcode OCR Template and click Create Template. To create a template, you will need to scan or import a sample single or multi-page document to use as a guide for location of the data being extracted. For greater accuracy during batch processing, scan the batch at the same DPI as the sample page used to create the template. Create a zone by clicking the New Zone button. The new zone will appear in the top corner of the page. Select the zone and drag and drop it over the content you wish to capture. The size of the zone can be manipulated as needed. It is recommended to draw the zone area spaciously to compensate for possible misalignment caused at scan time. The bigger you make the area, the less room there is for error. For increased zone precision, you can also right-click on the document for additional viewing options such as zoom, rotate, and fit to size. Select the index field that the zone will correspond to from the index field drop-down menu in Zone Options panel. Next, select the zone data type from barcode type drop-down menu, or in some cases, certain barcodes will be auto-recognized by the zone. Dokmee Capture will recognize 9 different barcodes type, including 1D and 2D barcodes, as well as data matrix and QR codes. A green zone indicates a recognition is actively capturing data and allows you to preview the zone value at the bottom of the screen. When creating multiple zones, notice that the preview value at the bottom of the screen pertains to the currently selected zone. Text OCR is used to extract typed text from a specific area of the page. A text OCR zone can be created with dual purposes, for extracting data and inserting into an index field or for a document separation. To use a specific text value as a document separator, select the separation checkbox and select None in the index field drop-down menu. In the separation information section, type the value that the recognition engine should look for to determine separation. To extract text data and insert into an index field, select the index field that the zone will correspond to from the index field drop-down menu in the Zone Option panel. In the Options section, set the text type and language setting. The Enable OCR Noises filter option is used to help decrease any spot or noise that could interfere with the recognition. Other options include MICR banking font, which is primarily used to extract the account and routing numbers from the bottom of a check. To set up an MICR zone, select the index field that the zone will correspond to from the index field drop-down menu in the Zone Option panel. In the Options section, choose the correct MICR font. ICR is used for handwriting recognition. The ICR type is used when the handwriting is on a single line in a free-form format. ICR box is used for forms that contains a complete box around each individual letter written. ICR space is used for that contain individual space line for each letter written. And ICR options are most accurate when using capitals letters up to 90% accuracy. Accuracy could drop below 30% when using lowercase letters. Optical mark recognition, known as OMR, is used for checkboxes and bubble fills. Smart Zone is another form of intelligent text recognition using defined labels. These sections will be covered in separate individual training videos. Templates can contain multiple zone types from multi-pages documents. The thumbnail viewer on the right side of the screen is for documents that contain indexing information on multiple pages. To create a zone on another page, select the page from the thumbnail view, then click the New Zone button. To delete a zone, click the red X button next to the zone. To delete an entire template, press the Delete button on the top of the screen. This will delete all sample pages and all zone and cannot be undone. If you are modifying an existing template which has already been saved and you deleted the entire template by accident, you can recover the deleted template by clicking the Close button on the screen and select Close. This will close the window without saving the changes made, allowing you to reopen the template as the previous saved version. To save the template, click the Save and Close button at the bottom of the screen or click the Close button in the top corner and select Save and Close.